Hey guys, Taylor here with Vannon, and right here I've got the Spartan, our fully featured 170 all-wheel drive adventure van. It's called the Spartan because every detail was designed with simplicity and purpose in mind. Rugged capability, clean lines, and nothing that doesn't serve a function. Starting on the exterior, the customers wanted it to be minimal, but very functional. They went with steel wheels with an Agile Pro rip kit, the Vannon running rails, and up top is the Fiamma F65 electric awning. Let's step in and give you a little tour. Up front, driver passenger seat swivel. You got a nice Vannon lagoon table system here for the passenger side, and on the driver's side, the galley extends out over for more surface space and lounging. This is our 42-inch galley with a bamboo countertop, dual burner stove, large sink, isotherm 130 fridge, 3 drawers up front, but it also has a little sneaker fourth down in the bottom. Up top, we have 2 of our Vannon composite cabinets side by side. They come with the timbre doors, so you don't have to worry about doors coming out in your face. Also, tucked in here is a microwave. This customer wanted their back of the van to be very spacious and open. They went with a single bench with a lagoon table. For extra storage, they chose to go with these slider drawers underneath the bed system. It's got dual Vannon Wally panels, both left and right, for storing soft goods and miscellaneous items. Throughout the van, they've got soft storage with wall pouches, soft baskets, Vannon trash can, and room to put more gear. In the back, they went with L-track front to back, which allows for a nice soft cabinet to drop down for extra storage. Up top, we've got the control center with your Victron display, heater, and switches for turning on all your different functions. It's got a large front to back bed system, LED lighting throughout, touch lights in the back for reading, a Nomadic X3 AC up top. There's fun storage throughout with the Vannon wall pouches and soft bags. Down below the Vannon flight deck bed system is the garage. We've got lighting throughout, all kinds of locations for tie downs, 48-inch radio van slider tray, along with a hot and cold shower out the back. On their back doors, they've got the Vannon Molly panels with a medium-sized soft basket and their shower curtain. At Vannon, outcome is everything. That philosophy drives every decision we make. For more information on Vannon performance vans and parts, check out vannon.com.